Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a Two Stars Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper, no. Today's newspaper is Monday, December the 6th, 2021. And in today's newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku, and that is the medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of the Wednesday edition. Wednesday, December the 1st, 2021. I've already solved this one a few minutes ago. And now I'm going to continue with the second one. A 2-star Sudoku, then a tectonic with 1 star. 3 puzzles are left. The second one is a 2 stars Sudoku, a number 3788. 3788. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, I think 26, but let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, correct. 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. 1, 2, 3 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 7, no, 2 sevens, 2 eights, 3 eights, and 3 nines. Yes. So the 1 and the 5. Let me see. Yeah. The 1 and the 5. Let me start with the 1, of course. 1 in this column. 1 in the second column. No. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. Let me see. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue. Well, no, I cannot continue with the 5. Well. No. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Yeah, I need to wait. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. Wait. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row, the third row. So no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a pair, I believe. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. Together with the 5, we have a pair, 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. The 5 then. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. Let me see. How about the number? You need 8 there. Okay. 8. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright, 1 number left in this third column for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 the numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. How about. These two numbers in the third row, those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about these two missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 7. Yeah. 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4. And of course, 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, And the 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 2 stars? No. Whether a 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 1 star. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.